Satellites and drones are transforming the future of aerospace by enabling advanced communication, surveillance, navigation, mapping, and mission-critical operations. Manufacturing these sophisticated systems requires precision engineering, rigorous quality standards, and complete traceability across every stage of production. PMTechERP is a comprehensive ERP solution designed to streamline and optimize satellite and drone manufacturing, helping organizations achieve greater efficiency, reliability, and operational excellence. With PMTechERP, every business function is integrated into a single intelligent platform. From engineering and bill of materials to procurement, production planning, component manufacturing, assembly, quality inspection, inventory management, testing, and final dispatch, every process is seamlessly connected. This improves collaboration, eliminates manual processes, and provides complete visibility throughout the manufacturing lifecycle. Advanced production planning helps manufacturers optimize machine utilization, workforce allocation, and material availability while ensuring projects are completed on schedule. Real-time monitoring allows teams to track work orders, production progress, and resource utilization, enabling faster decisions and improved operational efficiency. Satellites and drones are transforming the future